In today's fast-paced world, having the right tools in the kitchen can transform your cooking experience from mundane to magnificent. This Zazychef Nonstick Frying Pan stands out as a game-changer, delivering exceptional performance with a modern aesthetic. This 10-inch frying pan, featuring a honeycomb cast iron design and a luxurious gold stay-cool handle, promises durability, versatility, and effortless cooking. If you're looking for a frying pan that combines style, functionality, and ease of use, this detailed review will help you understand why the Zazychef Nonstick Frying Pan deserves a spot in your kitchen. Why choose Zazychef? 1. Premium build quality, made with durable materials that resist scratches and rust. 2. Efficient cooking. The honeycomb design ensures even heat distribution for perfectly cooked meals. 3. Safe and stylish. The gold stay-cool handle offers a luxurious touch while prioritizing safety. 4. Easy maintenance. Non-stick technology simplifies cleaning, saving you time and effort. 5. Eco-friendly. Designed to use less oil, promoting healthier cooking. How Zazychef elevates your cooking? This frying pan is perfect for frying eggs, pancakes, and crispy vegetables. Searing meat, fish, and tofu with a perfect golden crust. Stir-frying vegetables, noodles, or rice dishes. Deep frying, achieve crispy, golden results without sticking. Its versatility makes it a must-have for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. Who is this frying pan for? This pan is perfect for busy home cooks. The non-stick surface and easy cleanup save time in the kitchen. Health-conscious individuals. Reduced oil usage promotes healthier cooking. Gift seekers. A stylish and practical gift option for any occasion. Cooking enthusiasts. Ideal for those who value high-quality cookware. Key features that make Zazychef Frying Pan a must-have. Number 1. Honeycomb non-stick technology. One of the most impressive aspects of this frying pan is its honeycomb structure. The inner surface features a precise concave-convex texture, ensuring even oil distribution and reducing the amount of oil needed for cooking. This advanced design prevents food from sticking while preserving the natural flavors of your ingredients. Whether you're frying eggs or searing meat, the honeycomb technology ensures flawless cooking results every time. Number 2. Effortless cleaning. Cleaning up after cooking is often the least enjoyable part of the process. Thankfully, the Zazychef Frying Pan makes this task effortless. Its superior non-stick performance ensures that food residue slides off with minimal effort. Simply rinse the pan with water and mild detergent, and you're done. The pan is also scratch-proof and rust-proof, ensuring it retains its pristine appearance even after regular use. Number 3. Gold Stay-Cool Handle. Cooking is safer and more comfortable with the ergonomic Gold Stay-Cool handle. The double-riveted stainless steel handle provides stability and durability while staying cool to the touch on stovetops. The hanging hole design adds a touch of convenience, allowing you to save kitchen space by hanging the pan when not in use. Number 4. High compatibility with multiple cooktops. Versatility is a hallmark of the Zazychef Frying Pan. It works seamlessly on a variety of cooktops, including halogen stoves, gas stoves, ceramic cooktops, ovens, induction cooktops. This wide compatibility ensures that the pan fits perfectly into any kitchen setup. Number 5. Perfect for any occasion. The Zazychef Nonstick Frying Pan isn't just a functional kitchen tool, it's also a thoughtful gift. Packaged beautifully and subjected to strict quality control, this frying pan is ideal for housewarming parties, holiday gifts, or simply as a treat for yourself. Final thoughts. Is the Zazychef Nonstick Frying Pan worth it? This Zazychef Nonstick Frying Pan combines innovation, durability, and elegance in one package. Its honeycomb nonstick technology ensures flawless cooking results, while the gold stay-cool handle adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. Whether you're frying, searing, or stir-frying, this pan delivers exceptional performance with minimal effort. Its eco-friendly design, easy maintenance, and wide compatibility make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and elevate your cooking experience today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.